everyone, what are you doing? Let's see here what are we gonna do. Just grab all of your sheets and crafting materials and grab them together. You have to paste the beaks around and then the claws. Further, let's see what are we gonna do out of this. You have to paste it over it and then the eyes around. This is beautiful, right? Now here you have to get the sheet. You just have to roll them together and get them secured in this position. Further here you have to make the lines and creases and folds in this manner, and then with the help of scissors you need to cut it and then secure it in this position. Further here, just with the help of your fingers you need to press them together and get them converted into this form. Further, get your Fevicol, you need to paste it and attach the sheet over it in this way. Beautiful, right? And then cut from the middle. You have to just get the stick around and make it into the form of a beautiful miniature umbrella. Paste your eyes on the top. This is beautiful. Further here, with the help of your cutter, you need to give cuts and creases in this manner of the glasses in this way, and then further you have to make the rays and all and get them beautifully curved like this. Let's see, you have to just press them up in this way and secure it tightly. Further you have to make the eyes and all and get them beautifully secured again in this manner. And your beautiful flowers are ready. This is gonna look cute. Now here you have to get the sheet, now paste it. You have to make the layers around and get them beautifully attached and pasted in a layer like this. You have to secure it in this manner, and then what are we gonna do? You have to make a beautiful lovely umbrella in this way. This is gonna look pretty cool, right? Now here you have to make the handle as well and get them attached like this. Further here again, what are we up to? You just have to get them secured like this. Now what are we gonna do? You just have to get them cut in this position. Now here you have to get the cuts along the lines in this manner, some short and some big, and then make the fish look like this. Beautiful, right? Now here also you have to get a sheet and then fold them and mold them, gently pressing it with the help of your fingers, and now you have to fold them together in this manner. This is gonna look absolutely pretty, isn't it? Now you have to make the strawberries and all and get them made into this structure. Now on the top of it you have to make the leaves like this and get them cut into this position. Now on the top of it you need to secure the leaves like this and get them beautifully attached with the help of sticks as well, and then you have to make the dots around. Now here you have to get a shape like this, and then you're going to get the wings of a butterfly. Here again you have to get the cuts and creases, and then in the middle you have to get the candies and paste these smiley. Further paste the hearts around, and this is beautiful. Let's see again what are we up to. You just have to grab the sheet, get them made into this form and getting them beautifully secured from the top, and then you have to make it in this way. Flap the wings in this manner and get the feathers and all in this way. This is gonna look pretty. I hope guys you have enjoyed the video. Thank you so much.